welcome to my channel. I'm debating on whether I should do an everyday makeup tutorial, like super glam, super bad, super Instagram, or if I should just do a Valentine's Day one, because Valentine's Day is 3 weeks from now, and some of my ladies out there probably don't know what they want to do. So from the title of this video, you already know which one I decided on. This video is not gonna be like, I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna do my makeup because my voice is so ugly and I don't like hearing myself talking. Plus, I always feel like I talk too much, so the video drags on longer than it's supposed to be. Plus, I'm pretty boring, so I'm just gonna be showing you what I use, and then I'm gonna be showing you how I do my makeup. Let's get started, because I hate those intros that are super fucking long. My side boo just texted me, leaving him on red.
nature. Look at my finger, that is a glacier. It's like a laser. With the queen bee and we be whipping all that tea. We dope girls, we
Call you back. Hold on. Give me a second.
Okay.
Bye. I'm done. This is the final look. But I'm done. I'm gonna go change, and I will be right back, hunty. Oh, look at it. I love this lip combo. I feel like a bad bitch. I look like Beyonce. I look like a Kardashian. So this is the final look. It's really dramatic, but it's really cute also. I did my hair. I was being a little extra with the hair and the eyes and just everything. I love it. I think I look so cute. Like the eyes are really, let me see. Okay. The eyes are really, really extra and I really, really love it. I just threw on like a little, like a turtleneck sweater. Oh, cause you know, You gotta be cozy for Valentine's Day. You can't be freezing. I think it came out really nice, like nicer than I expected it to turn out. I wanted to focus everything on the eyes. Like I kind of just wanted to leave it on the eyes and not really do anything else with the face. Like highlight is minimal, blush is minimal, lips are no gloss, nothing crazy. The only thing extra, probably the eyes and my hair. What else? That's it. Like on camera it don't look that good on camera, but in person, like I rock this. On a date I'm definitely rocking this. But yeah, that's it. I'm done. Finally, it took me literally like 2 hours to finish this, and I'm finally done. I'm gonna leave my socials and everything that I used, specifically by brand, by name, by number, everything down below. Like, share, subscribe, comment, share again, and keep sharing and keep sharing and keep sharing. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, if you want me to do a tutorial on how I got my hair to look like this, let me know and I'll do one. All right, deuces.